Hello, my name is Mike Colitz, patent attorney, and welcome once again to Wacky Patent of the Month, the movie. Our Wacky patent for this month is a joint invention between Lorraine Moore, Mark Moore, and C.D. Giron. They did extensive work and developed the first ever, we believe, bird diaper. Now, we don't have birds at home. My sister's a veterinarian, but she limits her practices to eye surgery for aquatic mammals. So she has little help for me in understanding bird technology. But in any event, as I made an effort to try this invention, tried to put a diaper on a fixed bird, a model, as a prototype, and I understand it's a very difficult situation, and I believe that this trio of inventors may have had a difficult time in coming up with a proper design to diaper a bird. But anyway, they did it. They were awarded their patent. I still haven't seen any at the pet store, but who knows, maybe next year. Now, this comes to the idea, did they actually build a prototype? I don't know. Nobody really knows, except for the inventor and the people in the area. But there is no longer a need to provide a prototype or a working model to the patent office. There used to be such a requirement, but that's long gone. So apparently the inventors and the patent attorney representing them and the patent office thought that this was in fact an invention which was new, useful, and unobvious, whether or not it had a prototype. So don't let the absence of a prototype keep you from protecting your invention. So that's it for this month. We'll see you next month. Thank you very much.